What's going on, Kansas City? My name's Skylar Edzards, your full-time realtor here in the Kansas City metro area with eXp Realty. Now, you might be wondering, is right now the best time to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? Well, today we're going to be talking about October's numbers and see how they compare nationally, and most importantly, what it all means to you. Let's dive into it. Let's start with closed sales. Here in Kansas City, we saw 3,116 closed sales, which is up 7% from last year. This shows that buyer activity is holding steady even with the higher interest rates that we've been seeing. Now, let's talk about average sales price. Here in October, we hit an average sales price of $356,254, which is a 3.5% increase year over year. For homeowners, this shows that your equity is most likely growing. And for home buyers, this is just a reminder that waiting is definitely going to cost you. When we look at inventory, here in the Kansas City metro area for October, we saw 7,118 active listings, which translates to a 2.5 month supply, which is up 7% from last year. But this still equals a seller's market. But home buyers now have a little bit more options when it comes to their next purchase. Lastly, pending sales. Here in the Kansas City metro area for October, we saw pending sales jump to 3,179 sales, which is a significant increase of 17.5% year over year. This just shows that buyer demand is still holding strong. And if you're a homeowner, right now might be the time to capitalize on this demand. So how does the Kansas City market compare to the national market? Nationwide, we saw home prices increase by 3.9%, while here in the Kansas City metro area, we only saw home prices increase by 3.5%, which is down slightly, but still, homes are appreciating. On the inventory side, the national market saw an increase of 31.9% year over year. Now, compared to Kansas City's 7% increase, this shows that buyers might have more options nationally, but here in the Kansas City metro area, competition remains strong. Lastly, homes nationwide are taking longer to sell. On average, 7 days longer year over year. But here in the Kansas City metro area, we're only seeing an increase of 2 days, which just shows that the Kansas City market still has plenty of buyers and plenty of demand. Now, what do all these numbers mean to you? Well, if you're a home buyer, this just shows that inventory is up slightly, but home prices are still going up. So this just shows that waiting is going to cost you more money in the long run, and you're probably going to be buying less house than you could afford today. So let's talk about what you could afford in the market today. Drop a comment below on what is holding you back from buying right now. I'm curious. Now, what about the sellers? With the pending sales surge that we saw last month and inventory remaining tight, now is a great time to sell. This shows that buyers are still active, and with some of the buyers that I've been working with, every single house that we've wanted to make an offer on these last 2 weeks, we've had to compete, meaning that there were multiple offers where my buyer had to come up in price, terms, just to get that house. So if you want to capitalize on this demand, let's go ahead and chat and get your house sold before the end of the year. For investors, with Kansas City's combination of steady appreciation and an uptick in buyer demand, this might be a promising market for rentals and for flips. If you're looking to explore your investment options, go ahead, give me a quick call, and I'll start looking for you. Every day, I work with buyers, sellers, and investors just like you to achieve their own unique real estate goals here in the Kansas City metro area. And I'd love to help you too. Whether you're just curious about how these numbers impact you, or if you're ready to take the next step, you can always reach me at 816-447-0017. You can call, text, or email, whatever's easiest for you. All my other contact information is listed below. Again, thank you so much for watching this month's market update. Please make sure to like and share this video with somebody that's thinking about real estate, and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my next video. My name is Skylar Edzards, your full-time realtor here with eXp Realty in the Kansas City metro area, and I'll see you guys on the next video.